When I first started my own business, I felt like I was constantly having to play catch up with my sales, my marketing, my finance. It always felt like chaos. I didn't have a good system in place for how to collect on outstanding invoices. I was trying to juggle way too many projects without a clear step-by-step process. And it was really stressful for the first few years. If you're watching this and this sounds relatable, you might feel a bit relieved to know that you're not alone. Every small business goes through their own discovery process and their own journey, figuring out how to build their own operating systems and procedures. Everything changed for me after I started focusing on how to create step-by-step systems for each of the areas in my business. But then it's figuring out what systems and tools are best to help you in running those. Well, good news, today I'm going to go through the exact processes and systems that we use in our business, and I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can do this for yourself. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Social Geeks podcast. My name is Kyle, I'm the digital strategist, owner and operator of Social Geeks Digital Agency, where we're all about boosting your business with smart strategies and systems. Today we're diving in how to create effective systems for your sales and marketing to streamline your processes and maximize your efficiency. So let's get into it. First off, what do we mean by systems? In a business, a system is a set of procedures and tools that help you manage activities, both consistently and efficiently. For sales and marketing, this means having a structured approach to attracting and converting leads in your business, as well as maintaining great relationships with your customers. Having robust systems in place can help save you time, reduce errors, boost your revenue, and more importantly, your profitability. So let's break down some of the key components that you need when you're building your systems. For sales, you're going to want to have a CRM. A CRM is a customer relationship management system, which helps you in keeping track of all the interactions with both potential and current customers. One of the key ways that a CRM can help is helping you in automating a lot of your repetitive tasks. CRM suites will often have email marketing built in, and even sometimes have social media schedulers to help take that work off your plate. Additionally, you can have snippets of text that might be your FAQs or things that you commonly have to say to customer inquiries to just simply hit and add into your communication. And often these places will bring all of your communications like your emails, your text messages, phone calls, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, WhatsApp, your Google business profile, wherever your customers are speaking with you, it'll bring it all into one place and one inbox to make it much easier to get back to people and make sure that nothing's slipping through the cracks. Better yet, you can share these things with your staff members so that there's multiple people focusing on your business's overall inbox to help lessen your workload. And some of the coolest innovations that we're seeing lately is CRMs implementing AI technology so that you can train up AI bots to reply back to messages on your behalf and kind of act like an AI personal assistant. And another element that's built into these platforms is analytics. You want to be able to monitor your performance to help you make better decisions in the future and understand how many inquiries you're getting per day, how many sales opportunities do you have in your pipeline, and what are the value of those deals so that you can start forecasting your sales and you can start planning out future work more effectively. This is something that I personally struggled with in 2020. We used to do a lot of website builds and digital marketing, and things went crazy in 2020. I'm sure for everyone out there, you can totally relate. At the very beginning, we saw about a third of our clients drop off because we were focused on the health and fitness industry quite a lot. But then within a matter of weeks, we started getting a huge surge of new inquiries, people wanting websites built, and we're starting trying to bring people into the digital world. Now with this, we're able to forecast the type of jobs that were coming in and effectively hire more staff to be able to keep up with demand. We wouldn't have been able to do that without having a CRM in place to help see and forecast our sales and the projects that were coming into the business. So a CRM can help you with these types of decisions and allow you to pivot when you need to pivot and make decisions that are based on data, not on gut hunches or whatever. Now, setting up these systems doesn't have to be overwhelming. The best place to start is by mapping out your current processes. Identify every step from the moment that you generate a lead or get a new inquiry through to closing the sale and onboarding your customer. Next, identify the gaps and the manual processes that could potentially either be automated, delegated, or eliminated. A great way to document this is what I did in our business, was I used a great tool called Loom, which records your screen as you're doing a task. And I'd basically explain it as if there was somebody sitting next to me. I looked at all the steps throughout our business that I wanted to help delegate or hire staff to train on, and I'd record a Loom video of me going through it and explain how I'm doing things as I'm doing them. Then with this video, you get the transcript and break that down into a step-by-step instructions. The next thing you can do with these videos is you can store them in folders or set up a free knowledge base system so that you have articles for training that you can then pass on to your staff. This is a great way to get started in documenting these processes and then looking at how you might be able to automate or delegate these out. Now, a few best practices to keep in mind is to keep it all very user-friendly. You don't want to overwhelm yourself with hundreds of pages of procedures and create systems that are way too intricate for anyone to follow. Think of the 80-20 rule. Let's focus on the 20% of the processes that you do now that take up 80% of your time and start there. Now, oftentimes with sales and marketing, you're going to have the same types of emails that you're sending out to new inquiries. So creating templates for these and using your CRM to simply add those in could be a really good way to start. With CRMs, you should be able to create a sales pipeline, which is essentially like a flow chart, if you want to look at it that way, where each opportunity is step by step moved across the board. With automations, when somebody gets dragged from, let's say they go from a new lead inquiry to booking in a sales call with you, that can trigger certain actions in your CRM to send out emails, to inform the team that this is happening, to create tasks in your project management platform, whatever. Looking at ways that you can automate things, if there's any steps that you normally do, certain emails that you send out, notifications that you send to your team, you can look to make your CRM do those actions for you. Your CRM can also help with lead outreach. Adding in little automations for replying back to comments on your social media, or setting up automatic replies for people who reach out to you on Facebook or Instagram or on Google Business Profile, which people can message you now if you didn't know, can help you in saving time. In fact, there's AI that can now be integrated in these channels that, again, you can train up to understand your business and the objectives you want them to take. And then that AI will reply with that person, answer any questions, and lead them into the next step of your sales funnel, which might be to book in a sales call with you or book in a free appointment to talk about your services. These are things that you want to look at to eliminate or automate any of the tasks that you're currently doing, like replying to people on Facebook Messenger that might be low value work that you're better off eliminating or automating so that you can focus on the high value work in your business. I have a friend who's a psychologist. She just opened her own practice, and she was saying that she spends probably on average 5 to 10 hours a week replying to people's messages and emails and inquiries. And that's a lot of time. If you think about that being a $10 or a $20 per hour activity, she's a psychologist who could earn $100 plus an hour. So if she was able to eliminate that in 1 week, that's $500 to $1,000 extra revenue she could be bringing into the business. So focusing on your processes, looking at ways that you can automate, delegate, or eliminate is a super vital thing to do. The 3 things that I think you could get the most value for to focus on first is automating customer inquiries by adding automatic replies that get people to book in an appointment with you, setting up appointment booking forms with questions that will help eliminate any time wasters in there as well. Only people who are really interested in your services want to book in for an appointment. And then lastly, automating your onboarding and nurturing email series. An onboarding series for new customers will help educate them into how best to work with you, what they can expect, how to get started, and all that and more. And then a nurture series is a great way that if you do capture anybody's details, if they book in a call with you, or if they sign up to your newsletter, that you have a series that helps sell them your business, your services, and helps nurture them so that they don't slip through the cracks. Those are the 3 first things that I would focus on to help automate your sales and marketing. Remember, it's important to map out your entire flow, understand where the gaps are in the manual actions, and then look at how you could potentially automate or delegate those tasks. Make sure that you're regularly reviewing and updating your systems. As your business grows, your needs are going to change and the technology will change along with it. So that means that your business systems and processes should change too. As a digital marketer, in the last 3 years, we've seen so many changes. So our SOPs we update at least monthly, where we're looking at what we're doing and how we do it. Which leads me to my last and final point. It's important that you have a good team culture where you're training people up on your processes, you're helping them and supporting them in how to do those processes, and that they take ownership in updating those for you. At the end of the day, their proficiency can make or break the efficiency that you're looking for. And that can also make or break your systems, which can make or break your business. Now, if you're looking for ways that you can automate your business, I'd like to suggest our Social Geeks CRM suite, which is an all-in-one business platform to help you in automating your sales and marketing. We're offering a 30-day free trial so that you can test this out for yourself and see what it's like for you. And if you do sign up, I'm throwing in some free courses on how to get started. Remember, the right systems in your business can help you dramatically save time and make you more profitable in the long run. So a small investment on some software that can help you in automating and delegating tasks will help you in bringing back time, which means you can focus on more high-value work. The right systems in your sales and marketing processes can transform your business operation. Until next time, all the best with your marketing and keep optimizing. Cheers, guys.